Hi and welcome to our video on building a gaming PC. This video is perfect for you if you're a gamer on a tight budget and your budget is between 55,000 rupees to 60,000 and you want a full gaming PC under this budget. We will show you how to put together a PC that can handle all your favorite games for many years easily without breaking the bank and even do streaming, editing, coding, etc. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, we will start with the processor. For our budget build, we have chosen the Intel Core i5-12400F processor. It's a 6-core processor with a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and a boost clock speed of 4.4 GHz. It's a very capable processor for budget builds and can handle modern games and streaming without any issues. Next, we have the motherboard. For our build, we have chosen the Gigabyte H610MH motherboard. It's a great budget motherboard and has all the necessary features for a gaming PC including fast NVMe support. Now, let's talk about RAM. We have chosen the XPG Gamix D30 RAM 8GB RAM for our build. This RAM performs very well and is dependable. However, 16GB is advised for lag-free streaming and gaming. For the graphics card, we have chosen the latest Intel Arc 750. It's a good card that can handle modern games at 1080p resolution easily. It has 8GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock speed of 2050 MHz, giving a performance that's closer to RTX 3060. Now, let's talk about storage. For our build, we have gone with the Kingston NV250GB NVMe SSD. It's a good SSD with fast Gen 4.0 read and write speeds, which will help reduce game load times and computer boot times. For storage, we will use Western Digital 1TB hard drive to store games and other data backups. The Gigabyte P550B 550W was chosen as the power supply. It's perfect for budget-friendly builds and provides dependable power to all your components. Finally, we have the case. For our budget build, we have chosen an ESPORTS ICE 311MT with 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans. It's a great-looking case with glass and arbor fans and provides best airflow to keep your components cool. And there you have it, a gaming PC for less than 60,000 rupees. This build will provide excellent gaming performance while remaining affordable. Please leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Subscribe for more such videos.